All right, guys, today we're doing Elton John, Your Song, live at Ephesus version. You can find it on YouTube. Let's take a listen. It's a little bit funny, this feeling inside, and so forth. Hello everyone, I'm Shawn and welcome to my easy piano lessons. We're about to do the part 1 lesson here. All the lessons for the whole thing are on my website, webpianoteacher.com. Works in all your phones, your tablets, your laptops, your desktop computers. Nearing 5,000 lessons on the site now, so a lifetime of music learning on there. Now, yes, I have done Your Song before many years ago, probably like 12 years ago. I did it on YouTube to start with, but this is a live at Ephesus version. So with the live versions, especially with Elton, you get these neat things that he doesn't do in the album version. So we're going to do this all the way through. And all right, so we're of course in E flat, G, B flat, E flat, G on the right hand, 1, 2, 4, 5. Left hand on an E flat, B flat, E flat. Now I will tell you, this is not a beginner lesson. If you are a beginner, or you need a refresher course, or you need to get used to my method, on the website, if you'll hit Browse Lessons, scroll down alphabetically to the letter L for lesson. There's 50 lessons there that are beginner lessons to get you started. So where you can work up to something like this. But so here we go. E flat chord. Now the note you're already holding down on the right hand is what we're going to use here. Okay? Now the left hand is just going to keep, that octave and a fifth down there. Because he tends to play it, and then the thumb, so kind of vamping that left hand. Now, the next measure is an A flat chord. A flat, C, E flat, A flat, 1, 2, 3, 5. Left hand stays on the E flat. We won't have a B flat in there though, because, okay? So put those two measures together. Next measure. You may notice we're having an E flat on the bottom every time. Well, that's called a pedal note, when you keep that bass note while the chords change on top. Okay, a lot of songs do that, and this one does it. So you're going to stay on that E flat octave. There's my email address if you want to email me about getting on the hired request list, or just have any questions in general. So E flat on the left hand, the right hand will have F and C with 1 and 3, then D, then B flat and F together. Hold that for a bit, and then F and D together, and B flat. Okay? Now let's start from the beginning. Right, and then the next chord will be A flat, and then that chord progression repeats. So I hope you guys enjoyed that part 1 website, and we'll finish it up and have a lot of fun with this. Talk to you guys later.